What's going on, guys? Ian here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Got another bike I'd like to show you today. We have this beautiful vivid black 2016 Harley Davidson Road Glide Ultra. You can see there it's the vivid black paint job with the silver pinstripe. Does have the 103 cubic inch motor with a 6-speed transmission. Also has factory header system, exhaust header system with aftermarket slip-ons slash cut. They look like wild pigs. Given it is the Road Glide Ultra, it will come with lower fairings and a full-size tour pack with the luggage rack. Obviously, it's a two-up rider with the full pad for the passenger, so they'll be good and comfortable. It does have a higher windshield on it than the standard Road Glide edition. Plenty of tread on the front tire, as you can see there. Now, this is the model. It is water-cooled as well as air-cooled. The Road Glide Ultras do come with a little higher handlebars than your standard model Road Glide. As you can see there, they are kind of raised up a little bit to help you lean back in the saddle, make it for a good, comfortable ride for long distance. It does have that touchscreen LCD. And then, of course, your vents. As you can see here, vent here, the other side, and then right here. Let's see how many miles she has. 397 miles on a 2016, so basically brand new. I guess someone bought it, decided they didn't want it, and then we got it. Let's see what she sounds like. She does sound very, very good with those slip-ons, those wild pigs. Good deep sound. It does already have aftermarket grips and chrome levers already installed. They do come with a dual LED headlight setup. AM/FM radio, Bluetooth capability, and a USB port. This is one of our certified pre-owned used motorcycles, which means it gets a multi-point inspection, at least a 15-mile test ride, and a professional detail. If you have any questions concerning this motorcycle, you can contact our sales team toll free at 817-985-8888, or you can get on our website at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com and check out our full inventory. We do sell and ship bikes all over the world, take virtually anything in on trade, and have great financing options along with extended warranty plans. So feel free to give us a call and see what we can do for you to get you on this motorcycle and get you in the wind. Freedom to choose.